teabag his ass. Yeah. Yeah.
Texas Chainsaw funny moments.
Alright, let's get it. What's Connie?
What's up, kid? What's up, kid? I got the killer on me.
Dang it. Who's our killer?
Leatherface.
And Hitchhiker and Johnny.
Got that bitch ass. Got that bitch ass.
Jerem got a nice man pussy.
Whoa, pause. Come truck his ass. Come truck his ass. He's on the thing. So he truck him. He's on the battery. Ah! Yeah.
Close the gate on him. You know those two bushes that you crawl in up to that gate on the side of the house? I'm in the backfield right now.
I'm dead.
Well, I'm about to have this gate unlocked. Y'all may even escape.
I'm dead.
Come back here, bro. Here's
I'm dead.
You're actually dead?
I'm actually dead.
Fuck.
That ain't gonna help your cause.
Bye, Johnny. Wee! 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 Wee!
The fuse.
Fuck yeah. Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Fuck, I'm dead, bro. They're about to jump my ass.
I see you. Oh,
Yes,
I saved you! Ah!
Let's go. What map is this?
Gas station. I see his grandpa's bitch ass. Motherfucker getting stabbed right now, bro.
Where is he?
Dead. That's where he's at.
Fuck yeah, I'm getting another bone scrap. I'm gonna do it to him too.
Yeah, that motherfucker deserves it.
Grandpa's a snitch, bro.
Biggest. Oh. Oh, what's up, Leatherface? Oh. Oh, what's up? What's up? Oh.
Don't let him get the fucking battery.
I'm playing with him. Oh! He's getting me though. I gotta go. Right?
Shit, he's gonna turn it on now. Oh, he came back. He came back.
Come get his ass, Isaac. Isaac, come get his ass.
I'm gonna try and stop him. Oh yeah, check this bitch ass. A little bit of that.
He doesn't have to turn his off.
Phoenix, you better come on because the other one's here.
Oh yeah.